So over here you can see that I have a design project, and let's say what I want to do is I want to save out some time. So I want to utilize some templates. So over here, to utilize templates in the image editor, over here on the left hand side, simply click on templates, and here there are different templates that you can choose from, as you can see. So there are like sales, promotion, and so forth right here, just like this, and so different type of themes that you can work with. So there's food and beverages, as you can see right here, like this one theme called Cookie Day. So I'm just going to go around and click right here. So you can see that this design has been added in, and let's say what I want to do is I want to change its size. So all you need to do is click on resize and choose another size as you like right here, and everything will be rearranged right here, just like this. So you can arrange it out according to how you want. Go around and resize it, and this is what you have. And based on the resize element, you can see that there's different templates that you can choose from, like this one, as you can see right here, right there. You can go around and click on discover the scenery, and this one right here, as you can see right here, and these are the templates for this particular canvas right here, the size right here. And again, you can go around and resize this out, and then everything else resizes for you. So this is how you can go around and utilize out the templates inside of CapCut's image editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.